Ion Training by Vistasparks Solutions. Hey! Boost your expertise in ION, Industrial Operations Network ION platform, with our comprehensive training program designed to help you understand, implement, and manage enterprise-level integrations and industrial operations efficiently. This course focuses on real-world applications, enabling seamless connectivity across systems and processes. Contact on mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. The Infor-ION training program is designed to equip participants with the necessary skills to effectively manage and automate their business processes using the Infor-ION platform. This comprehensive training covers all aspects of the platform, including its features, functionalities, and applications. Participants will learn how to design, implement, and maintain efficient workflows, as well as optimize their systems for maximum productivity. The training program is delivered through a combination of lectures, discussions, and hands-on exercises, allowing participants to gain practical experience and develop their problem-solving skills. By the end of the training, participants will have gained a deep understanding of the Infor-ION NAM platform and be able to apply it to real-world scenarios. Step 1. Rewrite the given text in English. The original text appears to be written in multiple languages, but it seems that the main content is in English. We will rewrite the text in English. Step 2. Remove full sentences. We will remove all full sentences from the rewritten text. Step 3. Remove introductions and thankings. We will remove any introductory phrases and thank you messages from the text. Step 4. Combine the remaining words into a single sentence. After removing the unnecessary parts, we are left with a few words and phrases. We can combine these into a single sentence. Step 5. Add the characters. Expert-led training programs are designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to integrate, automate, and innovate with Infor-ION. Through our training, you will learn how to configure, manage, and optimize Infor-ION, enabling you to streamline your operations, improve efficiency, and drive business success. Our customized workshops cater to your specific needs, ensuring that you get the most out of your investment in Infor-ION. With Vistasparks Solutions, you can take advantage of our certification support, guided preparation for Infor-ION credentials, and expert guidance throughout your journey. Join us today and discover how Vistasparks Solutions can empower your digital future. The expert ION training provided by Vistasparks Solutions enables professionals to master Infor-ION systems. This comprehensive training covers a range of topics, including system configuration, data management, and optimization techniques. The training is tailored to meet the diverse needs of individuals and corporations, offering both individual and group training options. The customized workshops are designed to cater to the unique requirements of each organization and team, allowing them to work seamlessly with Infor-ION systems. Furthermore, the training provides career development opportunities and certification support to help professionals advance their careers. The company provides a comprehensive training program that includes both theoretical and practical aspects. The training covers various topics such as configuration, management, and optimization of Infor-ION systems. The program is designed to equip learners with the necessary skills and knowledge to configure, manage, and optimize Infor-ION systems effectively. The training is delivered by experienced instructors who have extensive experience in deploying ION systems. The instructors use a variety of teaching methods, including hands-on exercises, case studies, and group discussions. The training is highly interactive and engaging, allowing learners to apply their knowledge and skills in real-world scenarios. The program is tailored to meet the specific needs of each learner, taking into account their prior knowledge and experience. The training is offered in multiple formats, including live online and self-paced training, as well as mock interviews and resume assistance. The company's goal is to provide learners with the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in their roles. Step 1. Rewrite the given text in English. The original text appears to be written in a mix of languages, but it seems to be primarily in English with some other language elements. Here's a rewritten version of the text in full sentences only. Ready to integrate? Start your ION journey today by enrolling in Vistasparks Solutions ION training. This training will help transform how your organization connects, automates, and operates. Whether you are an individual professional or a corporate team, we have the right program for you. If you want to learn more about our programs, contact us to enroll now. Visit our website to explore the full range of ION training options available. You can also reach out to our training advisors to register for upcoming live batches. Explore the full ION training and discuss your goals with our experts to find the right program that suits your needs. At Vistasparks Solutions, we empower professionals and enterprises through expert info ION training. Our mission is to connect, automate, and innovate. We believe that with the right training, organizations can achieve great things. The company has been working on a new project since last year. The project involves creating a new workflow for managing customer relationships. The goal is to create an efficient system that automates many routine tasks, such as sending reminders and tracking customer interactions. The team has been working hard to design and implement this workflow, but they are facing some challenges. They need help with designing the workflow and implementing it effectively. The team is looking for a partner who can provide guidance and support throughout the process. They want to know if there is a way to integrate their existing systems with the new workflow, and how to ensure that the workflow is scalable and secure. The next step in integrating your ION system is to focus on data integration and connectivity. This module will help you establish reliable, real-time data connections across your entire enterprise ecosystem. By connecting your enterprise resource planning, ERP, customer relationship management, CRM, supply chain management, SCM, systems, as well as third-party applications, you can enable seamless communication and data exchange between these disparate systems. The goal is to create a unified view of your business operations, allowing for real-time, bidirectional data flow. This means that data can be easily shared and synchronized across different systems, eliminating manual data entry and reducing errors. Additionally, this module will cover managing documents, transactions, and data mappings, ensuring that all data is properly reconciled and handled. Exception management and data reconciliation are also critical components of this module, enabling you to handle any discrepancies or inconsistencies in the data. By mastering data integration and connectivity, you can streamline your business operations, improve efficiency, and enhance overall decision-making. The ION Desk provides a centralized interface for navigating and monitoring various aspects of the ION system. This includes tracking the status of data, diagnosing and resolving issues related to integration, transmission, and system health, as well as troubleshooting problems using structured connections and configurations. The ION Desk also enables users to master the central interface, allowing them to work efficiently and effectively in real time. Furthermore, this module will cover advanced debugging techniques, enabling users to identify and resolve complex issues quickly and accurately. By mastering the ION Desk and its associated tools, users can improve their overall productivity and efficiency within the ION system. The module focuses on configuring inbound and outbound data flow pipelines, as well as integrating cloud-based and on-premise applications. The learners will gain hands-on experience with real-world enterprise integration scenarios, reinforcing their understanding of each connector type. By mastering these technical integration skills, learners can efficiently manage connector properties, mappings, and error handling, ensuring seamless data exchange between different systems. The module covers a range of topics including API connectors, data format integration, and technical integration skills. Learners will have the opportunity to practice working with different types of connectors, such as API connectors, file connectors, and database connectors. They will also learn how to configure and manage pipeline configurations, including inbound and outbound data flow pipelines. Furthermore, learners will gain practical knowledge of integrating cloud-based and on-premise applications, which is essential for modern business operations. By mastering the technical integration skills covered in this module, learners can improve their ability to design and implement efficient data exchange solutions. They will be able to optimize their workflow by streamlining processes, reducing errors, and increasing productivity. Additionally, they will develop a deeper understanding of the importance of data quality and integrity, which is critical for making informed business decisions. Learners who complete this module will have a solid foundation in technical integration skills, enabling them to tackle more complex projects and scenarios. They will be equipped with the knowledge and skills necessary to design and implement effective data exchange solutions and to troubleshoot common issues that may arise during implementation. The module covers a wide range of topics including data visualization, dashboard design, and KPI development. Data visualization is an essential skill for any business professional, as it enables them to effectively communicate complex information to various audiences. Dashboard design requires careful consideration of user experience, layout, and functionality. KPI development involves defining and tracking metrics that measure organizational performance. These skills are critical for creating effective business intelligence solutions. Please provide a detailed explanation of what it means to design cross-app workflows that can span multiple applications. What are the key characteristics of such workflows? What are the benefits of designing cross-app workflows? Individual training is designed to help you boost your career with ION expertise. With high-demand skill sets, you can increase your chances of getting hired in manufacturing, distribution, as well as enterprise tech sectors. Our certification support will provide structured preparation for ION certification, which strengthens your professional credentials. Furthermore, our job assistance and mentoring services include mock interviews, resume reviews, and one-on-one career guidance to help you land your next role. The corporate training provided by Vistasparks Solutions helps organizations streamline their workflow by offering customized IO training tailored to their specific needs. This training is designed to align with an organization's business objectives and technology stack, resulting in immediate impact on operations. ION training enables teams to develop internal ION competency, leading to long-term self-sufficiency. Vistasparks Solutions offers flexible delivery options, including on-site, virtual, and blended workshop formats, allowing organizations to choose the approach that best suits their needs. Trainers at Vistasparks Solutions are industry experts who bring real-world experience to the table, providing hands-on, real-world training that prepares teams for success in their roles. The company provides comprehensive and practical training, enabling teams to effectively configure, manage, and optimize ION with confidence. Vistasparks Solutions offers project-based learning, career and job support, and placement assistance to help teams achieve their full potential. The company's customized training programs are designed to meet unique needs and drive tangible results. By working together, Vistasparks Solutions and organizations can help each other stay ahead of the curve and achieve their goals. Trainers are available to provide guidance and support throughout the entire process, ensuring that teams receive the expertise and resources needed to succeed. The company has been working on developing an AI-powered platform that enables businesses to streamline their operations by automating repetitive tasks and improving decision-making processes. The platform uses machine learning algorithms to analyze data from various sources and provide real-time insights across different systems. This allows businesses to make informed decisions quickly and efficiently. The platform also integrates with existing enterprise systems, enabling seamless connections between departments and teams. As a result, businesses can improve their operational efficiency and agility, leading to increased productivity and competitiveness. Vistasparks Solutions empowers its clients by connecting different systems, automating processes, and innovating solutions. The company provides expert-led training and certification preparation to help clients achieve their digital transformation goals. Clients benefit from structured guidance and real-world examples that enable them to navigate complex enterprise integration issues. Partnering with Vistasparks solutions allows clients to access the company's expertise and stay current with technology and industry trends. The company offers various training programs, including self-paced learning and live batches, tailored to meet different client needs. Vistasparks Solutions aims to equip clients with the necessary knowledge and tools to innovate and automate their operations, resulting in increased efficiency, productivity, and competitiveness. The company is committed to assisting clients in achieving their digital transformation goals and realizing their full potential. The company's success stories are a testament to the tangible benefits that its clients have experienced through the implementation of IONN solutions. These success stories highlight the positive impact that IONN can have on businesses across various industries. By leveraging IONN, companies can streamline their operations, improve efficiency, and enhance productivity. The examples provided demonstrate how IONN has helped organizations such as manufacturing, enterprise, distribution, and individual learners achieve significant improvements in their workflows and processes. Through these case studies, it becomes clear that IONN is not just a technology solution but a strategic partner that empowers businesses to drive innovation and growth. The company has been providing training programs for over 20 years. The training programs are designed to help organizations improve their operational efficiency and productivity. The training programs cover various aspects such as automation, integration, and process optimization. The training programs are delivered through a combination of classroom instruction, online tutorials, and hands-on practice. The training programs are tailored to meet the specific needs of each organization. The training programs are offered at different levels, including beginner, intermediate, and advanced. The training programs are designed to be flexible and adaptable to changing business environments. The training programs are delivered by experienced trainers who have extensive knowledge and expertise in the field. The training programs are highly effective in improving operational efficiency and productivity. The training programs have received numerous awards and recognition from industry leaders. The training programs are highly regarded by professionals and organizations worldwide. The company provides a comprehensive training program that includes hands-on experience with IONN. The training covers various aspects of the system, including configuration, implementation, and maintenance. The instructors are experienced professionals who have worked with IONN in the past. They provide guidance on how to overcome common challenges and pitfalls, and share their expertise to help students achieve success. The training also includes lab sessions where students can practice what they've learned in a simulated environment. The company has been working on developing a new technology called IONN, which stands for Intelligent Operations Network. The IONN system is designed to be highly efficient and automated, allowing organizations to streamline their operations and improve productivity. The system consists of several components, including a network management platform, a workflow management tool, and a knowledge base. The IONN system also includes advanced analytics and artificial intelligence capabilities to provide real-time insights and automate decision-making processes. The company believes that IONN will revolutionize the way organizations operate by providing a more efficient and effective means of managing their operations.